Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the Fenty Mattemoiselle lipsticks to swatch for you guys, all 14 shades. So let's get into this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below, let me know what was your favorite shade. Would you try any of the daring shades? Or would you just stick with the more neutral, natural looks? Let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and found it helpful so I can make more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And that is all, folks. I love you guys so much. Remember that you're absolutely beautiful. Until next time. Bye. Mwah.